Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out WhatsApp account from other devices. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows users to communicate with friends and family. However, it is important to protect your privacy by log out of your account on other devices. This will prevent unauthorized access to your personal conversations and information. To log out WhatsApp account from other devices, first, open WhatsApp application on your mobile. Once you opened your WhatsApp account, identify the three dots icon situated in the top right corner of the screen and tap on. From the available options, tap on the Linked Devices option to access the list of connected devices. Now, you will see a list of all devices that are currently logged in to your WhatsApp account. Then, locate the device you want to log out from the list. This could be an old phone, a tablet, or any other device that you no longer want to have access to your WhatsApp account. In my case, I have currently logged in my Windows using Chrome web browser. Now, tap on the device name you want to log out. After that, tap on Logout button within the pop-up window. Once you have tapped on the Logout button, the device will be removed from your WhatsApp account. The pop-up window will close, and you will be redirected back to the Linked Devices page. This is exactly how you can remove WhatsApp from linked devices using your mobile app. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.